Hi, Judy from Witchpeace Craft. Welcome to today's yarn adventure. Yes, I'm back again and it's not Christmas. I didn't think I would be. I'm back with Winston, my polar bear. I don't have many stuffed toy polar bears, but I have him. Say hi. He's the biggest and he's lovely and soft. We do love you, don't we, Winston? He's a man of few words. I'm back because I've received some really incredible happy mail I wasn't expecting. It's day 23 of my Advent organised by thing, and what else is there? Just a bit of chat. So guys, I got a message yesterday after a horrendous day. The power went off at work 3 times. I almost gave up and came home. I was just starting to pack up when it came back on for the last time. I get a message from Reeves saying, we've got mail. And I'm like, oh yeah, it's just from Bendigo Woolen Mills. They keep sending my bits and pieces of my back order. Don't worry about it. So didn't think anything of that. Get home last night, do the usual thing. No time to open my Advent day 22, rushing around. Finally sit down, open it, and start crocheting on my blanket project because it's the goal. I did put the photo up late today. Just start crocheting and the power goes off. Yes, 9:10 at night and the power goes off. 33 Celsius, incredibly hot, no air conditioning, no breeze outside. So I broke out the neck light, which I think it was recommended, and I bought it from Krista at the Secret Yarnery. She has some great links to some great things. I think it was her that introduced me to clover hooks. But I broke out my neck light, which is awesome, and I had a candle, and I crocheted in the dark until I got too hot. But I did finish the yellow he gave me. I've got to have a drink. I'm very dry today. So it was off from 9:10 at night till about 11:15. When it went off, because it did the big one and then a little bump of a one, I did turn to Thing and say, someone's hit a power pole. He goes, oh no, it's just something's broken down. I went, no, someone's hit a power pole. Well, sure enough, a lady hit a power pole very badly. She took 2,450 ohms, had no power. She's seriously hurt, but she'll be okay. But yep, that's what happens when you knock over a power pole. It was hot, but I can't complain because I'm not hurt. So I woke up today. I only have to work till lunchtime. It's just a case of I go in and finalise a few things, and then I'm heading home. I'm waiting at the lights behind a lady. I can see she's on her phone. She has an old manual or stick shift, as you call it in the States, car, and she does something wrong and rolls back into my car. But better than that, she gets out and abuses me. Yes. And before I can answer her, the lady behind me jumps out of the car and starts abusing her. And the thing is, there's only a minor scratch on my car. She's accusing me of damaging her car. I took photos. She goes, I'm telling my husband I've got your number. I went, go ahead. I've got photos. You have no damage and you've actually scratched my car. And the lady's that was behind us go, you roll back. You roll back. You weren't watching what you were doing. And I'm like, ladies, it's Christmas. I'm going home. Move your car. So I came home. I said to Thing, that's it. Because I don't like driving around at Christmas. Everyone goes a little nuts. They have brain farts everywhere. And yeah, from today, he drives until Christmas is over with. So Reeves comes home and goes, here's your mail, and it's an express envelope. And I went, oh, he goes, it's from WA, where most of my family live. But it wasn't from my family. My happy mail was from Nell at Colours of the Outback. Yes, she has a YouTube channel, and please check out her channel and subscribe. She has a new craft room that I'm really envious of. I got the shock of my life. I was not expecting the happy mail, so I'm going to start with that. I have opened it. I couldn't wait. I'd had such a bad couple of days with people having brain farts that I decided I'm opening this and I'll do the video later because it's quite late on Wednesday the 23rd here. she sent me 2 skeins or 2 cakes of Lollipop Yarn, valuable, from Spotlight, made in Turkey, designed in Scandinavia. 80% acrylic, 20% wool, 5mm knitting needles, which makes it a 10 ply or 4 weight. It is incredibly soft. I love it, and I love the colour. There's no colour name on the bag, but I'm sure if I got on Spotlight's website, it would tell me the colour. Be something to do with cherries or pink or strawberries. But I love it. She sent me this because she showed it on her channel, and I commented because she told me what she paid over there, and I told her it's almost double that here. And apparently it is cheaper in other states than here. It's almost double the price. I did ask my ladies at the Spotlight store why, but they can't tell me. And I did say to Mel, it's just so expensive here. So she sent me 2. There was a lovely note with some lovely words on top and a card. The card is "Have the best Christmas ever." It's a Make-A-Wish Foundation card. So when she bought this, she made a donation to charity. Merry Christmas with loads of love. There are beautiful words inside. Mel, you just really, really made my day. There is also some amazing stitch markers. She has an Etsy shop and she makes stitch markers. Something I've been thinking about I should give a go. But I don't know if I'd make them this good. That's one. Pink heart. Sorry about the shadows. Just trying to, so you can see the pink. That is just gorgeous. And this one made me laugh because crochet queen. I'm not a crochet queen, maybe a crochet old lady. Oh, they're lovely. It came in this little organza bag. I can't believe, Mel, that you put them in express post to make sure it got here for Christmas. I'm just blown away. I want to make something now that's special for me that I can keep. So now I have to work out what I am going to make. Just thank you so much. It was so thoughtful, generous and kind. Please guys, check out her channel and support her and subscribe. And check out her Etsy shop. All the links are going to be in the description below. So Advent Day 23, where it's probably about 11:30 at night now. And I'm getting to open it. And he has surprised me. Red yarn. Again, he couldn't be bothered winding it up. I definitely hope Santa brings me a ball winder. I think my old ball winder's gone on strike. It's lovely and soft. I do recall this is the overflow yarn I used on a lovey. I know I threw it in the scrap half-used ball basket because there wasn't enough to make another one. So now, on top of the yellow, will go the red. It's going to be a big blanket. And what is he putting here? Nervously, she pulls it out. Oh. Nivea Q10 Plus C Anti-Wrinkle and Energy 10-minute sheet mask. 3 instant effects. Recharges tired, dull skin. Reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, refreshes the skin. Serum infused. I think he's giving me a hint that I need to freshen up for Christmas Day. Don't know whether to be offended or happy. He's a funny guy. So that is day 23. I did get some other lovely cards. One was from one of my bosses. He gave me a gift voucher to a very expensive French restaurant in Cairns that he knows I like to go to. He goes camping a lot with his wife, and we were talking about, we used to have a camper trailer and I wouldn't mind another one. That's why he's picked this. This is a McGrath Foundation card. Remember Pink October? I made a donation to McGrath Foundation. So this is another Christmas card that the donation goes to charity. So that was really nice, and especially that he thought of the camper. I got a card in the mail. It's going to be hard to show in all this light. All these red beads. It's lovely. It's very elegant and simple. This is from my friend Janet in WA. We've known each other since I was 9. We were both 19 and worked together. She has 2 girls. I have 2 boys. The words inside the cards say, "Make this Christmas end the present year on a cheerful note and make way for a fresh and bright new year. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year." And I realised she made this herself because it's got JFRX. JFR, and I think that might be a kiss craft. Now, I'm not sure if she has a YouTube channel because she hasn't told. No, not a channel. Etsy shop. I don't think she'd do a YouTube channel. If she hasn't done an Etsy shop, she should, because she knits, she draws, and she's quite crafty. She's making cards. Isn't that lovely? I also got a beautiful e-card, a Jackie Lawrence e-card from Janet Lepre, which is so lovely, and the words and sentiment Janet sent to me just really touched my heart. Janet's been with me since I had about 10 subscribers, and she always gives me words that inspire me to keep going and making yarn adventures. So Janet, thank you. Your Jackie Lawrence card was beautiful. So guys, that's it. I may do another video after this one and upload it tomorrow because I want to do the 20 question Christmas tag that Ella from No Catchy Name did. She started it, I think. And I watched Llama Kayla this morning do it with Big Daddy. You can do it as a couple or as a single. I'll probably do it as a single because Thing's voice is fading very fast and he's very silent like Winston, my polar bear. Yeah, it was a big laugh watching them this morning. They're great to watch, Llama Kayla and Big Daddy. I just love it. And then I was a bit sad to see Jane from Scraptastic getting bad news or upsetting news and about her husband. So if we could all keep Jane and her husband, Jane from Scraptastic, in our prayers, and hope that we send healing, positive vibes and that they get a great outcome for her husband's health. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Thank you for letting me share my happy mail with you. Mel, it's just really incredible that you sent me a gift and that it got here in time for Christmas like you did. Just blown away. And yeah, make sure guys you have one crafty day. Take care of each other. Stay safe and follow my 3 rules for Christmas because it is Wisdom Wednesday. Rule number 1, don't go into debt while trying to show people how much you love them. You do not need to spend money on people to show them that you love them. Don't go visit your family if it compromises your health and your mental health, because let's face it, not all families get on. I don't get on with some members in my family. If someone comments on your weight, one solution, just eat them. That's it. That's all I do. Just eat them. Until next time, bye and stay safe. Bye for now.